Hi friends, today we will discuss about diabetes mellitus with its pathology, classification, sign and symptoms, causes and treatment. Keep watching. Definition of diabetes mellitus. It is a serious disease in which a person's body cannot control the level of sugar in the blood. Okay. For studying diabetes mellitus, we must know normal and diabetic blood sugar ranges. For the majority of healthy individuals, normal blood sugar level are 72 to 99 mg per deciliter when it is fasting and up to 140 mg per deciliter 2 hours after eating. And in diabetic patient, it is more than 130 mg per deciliter in fasting state and more than 180 mg per deciliter in 2 hours after eating. So friends, our next topic deals with the study of types of diabetes mellitus. We know insulin is produced by islet of Langerhans in the pancreas and cause glucose uptake into liver, muscle and fat and storage of glycogen in liver and muscles. So, dependency of insulin diabetes is classified into mainly two types. First, type 1 diabetes. It is also called as insulin dependent or juvenile onset diabetes. It is diagnosed in children and young adults and caused by destruction of the insulin producing beta cells of islet of Langerhans in the pancreas, leading to deficiency of insulin. Next type is type 2 diabetes insipid, diabetes mellitus. It is also called as non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. It is the most common form of diabetes. It is primarily characterized by the insulin resistance or reduced insulin sensitivity combined with reduced insulin secretion and hyperglycemia. Main features are body cell resistance to insulin, increased hepatic glucose production, decrease insulin mediated glucose transport into muscle and adipose tissue. Next topic deals with the pathophysiology of type 1 diabetes mellitus. When there is a viral infection takes place, automatically alteration of cells and then autoimmune response takes place. This creates destruction of beta cells, and as we know, if the destruction of beta cells, there is ultimately deficiency of insulin, and due to deficiency of insulin there is a no uptake of glucose by cells and ultimately diabetes mellitus take place. Okay, our next topic is sign and symptoms of diabetes mellitus. It shows the excessive hunger, excessive thirst or fatigue. In some cases it weight gain or weight loss. Also it shows frequent urination, blur vision or poor wound healing. Okay, our main next topic is treatment of diabetes mellitus. The management of diabetes mellitus includes changing lifestyle. This includes proper diet which will lead to weight loss and a significant improvement in blood sugar level, and exercise will lead to reduction in HbA1c and improve insulin sensitivity. After that, medication treatment also important. It is following metformin, sulfonylureas, non-sulfonylureas and other types. Also main is insulin injection may either be used in combination with oral treatment or used alone. Thanks for watching.